Good morning, class 5. I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, beta, your syllabus is almost complete. So, only one activity is left, that is project work that I will be giving you. So, let's start with the revision. First two chapters, they have already been revised during the unit test. So, today we will revise chapter number 3, safety and first aid. So, we will revise the question answers of this chapter first. Page number 44. Come to the question answers part. Safety and first aid. Your first question is, what can cause fires? Name any 3 ways in which we can avoid fire hazards. First, you will write the causes, how fires can be caused. We know that fires, they can be caused by electrical faults, carelessness while handling the matchsticks, and the third causes accidents while cooking and gas leaks in the kitchen. So these are the 3 causes. And the fire hazards, they can be prevented by page number 38. One must be very careful while handling the fire. Next, electrical appliances, they should be checked regularly by the electrician. So there shouldn't be any fault in the electrical appliance. Synthetic clothes, they should not be worn while cooking in the kitchen. And we should always wear cotton clothes because synthetic clothes, they catch fire very easily. So these are the 3 hazards that can be, so these are 3 ways in which fire hazards can be prevented. Question number 2 is, how will you put out a fire caused because of electrical faults? So but we know that the fires that are caused by electrical faults cannot be put out, cannot be extinguished using water. वाटर से नहीं आप उनको एक्सटिंग्विश कर सकते बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लोज इन वाटर. इफ यू विल यूज वाटर टू एक्सटिंग्विश दिस फायर, the electricity will come in water, it will start flowing in water, and then you will get a shock. So this type of fire, it can be extinguished, it can be put out using sand. So this is the only option, solution. Next question is, define first aid. What first aid would you give to a person who has been bitten by a dog? First aid, it is the first or immediate help that is given to the injured person before taking him to the hospital. हॉस्पिटल लेके जाने से पहले जो हेल्प दी जाती है पर्सन को, इंजर्ड पर्सन को, that is known as the first aid. And in case the person is bitten by a dog, अगर डॉग से बिटन है, वो डॉग ने बाइट किया उस पर्सन को, तो व्हाट फर्स्ट एड विल यू गिव टू दैट पर्सन? फर्स्ट यू विल वॉश द वुंड विद द रनिंग वाटर से उसको साफ करोगे उसके वुंड को. देन कवर इट विद द क्लीन बैंडेज एंड देन टेक द पर्सन इमीडिएटली टू द डॉक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is a fracture? How would you help a person who has fractured his bone? A break or crack in the bone is known as fracture. This is your bone. A break, कुछ break पड़ गया आपकी bone में या crack हो गया कोई, that is known as fracture. A break or crack in the bone is known as fracture. If the person is any part or any bone is fractured of any person, then it is very important not to move that area. उस part को आपने हिलाना नहीं है. A cloth sling or splint should immediately be tied around the fracture. Cloth sling, कपड़े से उसको बांध दो उस part को. To hold it, and the person must be rushed to the hospital immediately. Tie that part with the cloth sling so that there is no movement of that part. And then immediately take the person to the hospital. Next question. How would you help a person in the following cases? First case is minor burns. If the person is having minor burns, if the person has got a minor burn, then how would you help that person? छोटा सा बर्न हुआ है कोई, then in case of the minor burn, first wash the burnt area under cool running water. cool running water से उसको wash करो. After that apply antiseptic cream. First is wash with cool running water, then apply antiseptic cream. कोई ऑइंटमेंट या एंटीसेप्टिक लगाओ उस एरिया के ऊपर, और पेस्ट ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा, बेकिंग सोडा दैट इज अवेलेबल इन आवर किचन, उसकी पेस्ट लगा दो उसके ऊपर. दैट इज वेरी सिंपल. दिस इज क्योर ट्रीटमेंट फॉर द माइनर बर्न, फर्स्ट एड फॉर द माइनर बर्न. In case of chemical burns, if any chemical has spilled on your body part, then what will you do in that case? In that case, remove the clothes around the burnt area. If you are wearing any cloth around that area, उस कपड़ा पहना हुआ है उस एरिया के ऊपर कोई, तो कपड़े को रिमूव करो पहले. Place the wound under cool running water and loosely wrap a clean bandage around it. Again, same. Wash it with cool running water. Loosely wrap a clean bandage around it. Bandage around उसके ऊपर wrap करो. And then immediately call a doctor. Next is severe burn. बहुत ज्यादा कोई burn हुआ है. Severe, serious burn. That is a severe burn. Then what will you do? A doctor must be called immediately. Any blister if formed must not be pricked. कोई ब्लिस्टर, कोई छाला बन गया उस पार्ट के ऊपर, इट नॉट बी pricked. prick मीन उसमें कोई चीज नहीं मारनी आपने, कोई निडल वगैरह नहीं मारनी. Also do not try to remove any piece of cloth stuck to the burnt area. If any part of or any piece of the cloth is stuck to that area, it has been stuck on that area, don't remove that cloth or apply any cream or ointment, and after that apply the ointment or the cream. So these are the question answers of this chapter. Exercise work you will do yourself, and I will be explaining this chapter whole also. So till now revise up to here. Thank you and have a nice day.